The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra looks to be a combination of major improvements and familiar specifications based on the latest leaks. Let's begin with the rumored upgrades. A user on X, Mr. 7SP, shared a tweet showing the first internal test build of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The information reveals the model number SM948B, which directly points to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This build carries the EUXCSC code, confirming it's for the European region. More importantly, it's running One UI 8.0 based on Android 16, which indicates Samsung is already testing its next major software upgrade on the new Ultra flagship. The build version is listed as S948BXX0AYHA/S948BXX0AYKA/S948BXXU0AYHA with a build date of August 2025. This timing makes sense, as Samsung typically begins internal software testing several months before the official launch of a new Galaxy S series. Overall, this leak strongly confirms that the Galaxy S26 Ultra is in active development and already undergoing software testing with Android 16 and One UI 8.0. According to a report from a Korean outlet, News, the Galaxy S26 Ultra may feature a refreshed yet familiar look. The design could reintroduce the camera island, last seen on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. If this proves accurate, it would mean the current water drop style layout is being retired next year. Industry speculation suggests that this return of the camera island is considered an unavoidable design change for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The adjustment, after 5 years, is expected to enhance camera performance while giving the device a new visual identity. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra battery capacity is now confirmed, matching earlier leaks and showing no milliamp-hour upgrade. China's 3C is infamous for revealing battery and charging info of unreleased electronics. The Galaxy S26 Ultra battery, with EBBS 948 ABI/E model number, has surfaced on CCC, revealing the confirmed battery capacity. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a rated battery capacity of 4855 mAh, the same as the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Once marketed, it will be listed as 5000 mAh, showing no change from the current flagship. Instead, the company is focusing on software optimization and AI-powered tools to enhance efficiency. Thanks to these improvements, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is still expected to deliver longer battery life compared to the S25 Ultra. As for charging, earlier reports suggested a major step forward. The device is expected to include 60-watt fast charging support, allowing for much quicker top-ups than before. According to well-known tipster Ice Universe on X, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature even rounder corners. This adjustment could make the device more comfortable to hold. While some may argue Samsung is following Apple's design direction, it's also possible the company is simply focusing on enhancing overall user comfort. Leaks also suggest the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be thinner and lighter than the S25 Ultra. When paired with the smoother edges, this could result in a more enjoyable in-hand feel. That said, reports indicate the device may also be taller and wider, which could offset some of these gains. We'll likely have a clearer picture once official renders are released, offering better insight into Samsung's design choices. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. We're now going to run through the full specs, design, and expected pricing to help you decide which one is right for you, so hit subscribe now, and let's dive right into it. First up, the standard Galaxy S26. It's coming with a 6.2-inch dynamic A&OLED display with improvements in brightness and color accuracy. We get a 120Hz display with HDR10+ and a resolution of 1080x2340. The display will be protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. For selfies, it has a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the rear, there's a triple camera setup consisting of a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, but the exact sensors are still unknown. It'll be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset and comes with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4000 mAh unit with 25 dV fast charging and 15 dV wireless charging. It will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. The phone will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at around $800 in January 2026. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, which may also be known as the S26 Edge. This one will come with a 6.7-inch dynamic OLED display with similar improvements in brightness and color accuracy. You'll get a 120Hz display, HDR10+, and a resolution of 1440x3120, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. There's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfies. The rear setup includes a dual camera system with a wide and an ultra-wide camera, though the exact sensors are still under wraps. It's also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 and will come with 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4,900 mAh unit with 45 DU fast charging and 15 DU wireless charging. It will support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. This model will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to be priced from $1,000 in January 2026. Finally, we have the premium model, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This one features a 6.9-inch dynamic OLED display, again with improvements to brightness and color accuracy, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+, with a resolution of 1440x3120, and it will be protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 3. There have been reports suggesting that this could feature the first ever under-display camera on an S-series phone, likely an 8-megapixel under-display selfie camera. On the rear, it will come with a quad camera setup featuring wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope lenses, but the exact sensors are still unknown. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 in all regions and will come with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, UFS 4.0. It's packing a 6,000 mAh battery with significant improvements to fast charging. As expected, it will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. The S26 Ultra will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at $1,300 in January 2026. Overall, it's looking like the Samsung Galaxy S26 series is going to be an exciting release, especially if the Ultra becomes the first S-series phone to feature the under-display camera. Samsung seems to be continuing their strategy of improving and refining their phones, rather than completely redesigning them for the sake of it. And just like all new phones, there will be a major emphasis on software, with AI playing a huge role in the user experience. The launch is still a bit far off, but we can expect plenty of information to leak as we approach the release date. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the latest updates.